Hello everyone, my name is Brenda Miller and I'm with the ABQ Sewing Studio here in Strathroy, Ontario, Canada. And previously I made a video called My Zipper Pull Came Off, What Now? And that talked about how to put your zipper pull back on after it's come off the bottom of your zipper, the stop end. But I ran into a situation where I was making actually this pair of pants here, and the zipper was too long at the waistband, so I trimmed it off, and I tried the pants on, not thinking, and pulled that zipper pull right off the top edge of the pant, and then had to figure out how to get it back on. And it's a little bit trickier than when the zipper pull comes off the bottom. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that. So in order to fix your zipper pull in this situation where it's come off the top of the zipper, you're going to need a couple of tools. One is a flathead screwdriver, okay, that doesn't have too thick a tip on it, okay? And then you're going to need either a pair of pliers, or I have this pair of pliers that has like a coating on it, so when I pinch something it's not going to wreck the finish. If you only have pliers, just cover them with a bit of masking tape or duct tape at the tip so that they're not going to harm the zipper pull, and you'll see why in a few minutes. Okay, so like I said, I had some trouble because I had trimmed off the top of my zipper and then, you know, oopsie-doo, what have I done? And I was in a situation. So what you need to do in this situation is just kind of open your zipper up a little bit. But you're going to take your pull, and your pull has a rounded edge at the top. Hoping you can see that, rounded at the top, and kind of a square edge at the bottom here, okay? So keep in mind, this is the top, the round edge is the top, the square edge is the bottom. And along the side of this zipper pull, you have like this little groove where the zipper teeth pass through. And what you need to do is take your screwdriver and put it into that groove to open it up a little bit. Oops. I'm using a small zipper here because chances are that's what you're looking at right now too. You've probably, you know, ripped a pull off your bridal gown or something, and now you're in a real mess. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and just force it in that space, opening that groove up just a little bit. Kind of opening this up as much as I can. Thinking that ought to be enough. You see how it's quite open compared to the other side? Okay. So I will put in the side that isn't bent, and to do that I feed it in at an angle. Okay, that's in. I heard a little click there, which tells me it's in place, and then push that in on the open side. Come on, you. There, okay. Now, is to get it kind of started. So I'm gonna just hold it like that. There, okay. Hey, okay, so once you've got the unbent side in, and it only goes in a tiny little way, right? Then you've got to force in the other side. Then I kind of held it here, even though there was hardly any on in the one side, and I pulled the pull down, and now it's in place. But as you can see, this is not even, right? So, but this can be fixed. So just go all the way down and all the way up. Now it's not closing on the open side because it's so bent open, okay? So what I have to do now is push it shut. So I take my little grabbers here, and now we got to kind of pinch it shut again so that the zipper actually zips. Okay, see that? And just give it another little pinch, because you know you're in your dress and you don't want it to fall apart because you forgot to squish your zipper back together. Now the finish of the, yeah, it's quite tight now. The finish of the pull is a little bit marred, but I mean, that's way better than having a gaping open garment, right? So there you go. It's all put together, and just tape the end shut or whatever until you've got it all stitched in place, just so you're not, you know, going to have that happen again and go through the same thing. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful and saves a few of you from a disastrous situation, which can easily occur. So it's Brenda Miller here, signing off for the ABQ Sewing Studio and Among Brenda's Quilts and Bags in Strathroy, Ontario, Canada. Bye.